There is only one thing that stands between you and effortless happiness and success. And unfortunately, that is you. Now, please don't be offended by that statement. You're not unique and you're not special. In fact, we're all in the same boat together. Unfortunately, because of 80 years of psychological research, it says that we are pretty much dead from the neck up, that our brains are wired in such a way that we're unable to focus. And if we're unable to focus, we're unable to achieve effortless happiness and success. In fact, if we're unable to focus, we're not able to achieve much success at all. Now, modern cognitive psychology claims that we can rewire our brain. Now, I know that might sound a little bit out there, but that's where science sits today. It can restructure itself in accordance to how we use it. And if we use our brain in a certain way, you can achieve something that I call purposeful focus. And that enables you to achieve effortless happiness and success on your terms. And I don't say that flippantly. I've deliberately used the word effortlessness because life is meant to be lived in flow. And that's what the whole day is about. The Psychology of Success workshop. You will learn about what everything is wrong with you, about what is wrong with all of us. But you'll also learn how to simply put that right and to be mentally in the zone, to live in a state of flow every day and to achieve what you want effortlessly. Now, when something comes along and it sounds too good to be true, it's often too good to be true. And some of you may be saying, how come everybody doesn't know what it is that I'm talking about here? Well, unfortunately, psychologists, they don't really talk to each other. And psychologists and business people, well, they might as well be foreigners to each other. So indeed, it is a very rare thing where all this information has been brought together in one place and in one day, as is the case for the Psychology of Success workshop. All that information in one place, all the tools you will need to achieve what you really, really want.